we pick group number 1. So the parameters is M1 is for the design 1 and design 2 is same. It is 52, and the mesh 2 is also same for design 1 and design 2 is 74. But for the stiffness coefficient isolator 1, for design 1 is 100 and design 2 is 600. For the stiffness coefficient isolator 2, design 1 is 600 and design 2 is the same, 600. And the lastly is forcing frequency is 145 rad per second. Thank you.
My name is Nurina Said Al-Halim. I present about the validation for group 1, section 5. Okay, so first of all, for design 1, our mass 1 is 52 kg and our mass 2 is 24 kg. And for our K1 is 100 Newton per mm, and for our K2 is 600 N per mm. So we have to convert it first and then we have to insert in this coding. So as you can see, I have inserted the coding as stated, and when I enter, I will get the natural frequency for highest and lowest and also the mode shape. So first of all, for the lowest we get 27.3659, and here as we can see we get 27.3658, so it's almost the same. So for the mode shape we have not got the same, which is 1.2545, and y in our calculation we got 1. So for highest frequency, natural frequency, we got 144.294, which is the same for our MATLAB, 144.294. And for our mode shape, we also got the same for the highest, which is 1 and then negative 0.6378. As we can see, it's the same for the highest frequency. And then for the design 2, we use another one coding, which is this one, and here we use the same mass 1 and then mass 2, but we got another K1 and K2. K1 and K2 are the same, which is we choose 600 N per mm. So as we insert in the coding, we got this one, and then after we enter, we got this one. So for natural frequency W2 is the lowest, which is 58.1491, and that's also the same. It's not the same but almost the same. And for the natural frequency we got 1 and 1.7096, and almost the same. So for the highest natural frequency we got 166.866,006, and it is the same as the calculation. And for the mode shape we got 1 and negative 0.4118. It is the same with the MATLAB. So from this validation, we can see that design 2 is more suitable than design 1, because at design 1 we cannot get the mode shape for the highest one. So that's all for me. Thank you.